Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to adjust loud sounds while using headphone on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the Sound and Haptics. Then after that, go to Headphone Safety. Then in the Headphone Safety, first all you have to do is turn on the switch button on the Reduce Loud Sounds. And as you will see, there's an adjust button for the decibels of the loud sounds. If you want to adjust the decibels higher, just drag it to the right. Then if you want to adjust it lower, drag the button to the left. And it will adjust the decibels of the loud sounds. And take note, if your loud sounds is enabled, your iPhone can analyze headphone audio and reduce any sound that is over a set decibel level. And that's it. We have successfully adjusted the loud sounds while using headphone on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.